Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be replacing this Ds Lite touchscreen connector. It's missing the catch here, it's broken, so I'm going to get to replacing that. I'm going to have to take a new connector off in all DSI that I have. I'm pretty sure they're the same connection. So first I'm going to add flux, and I'm going to set my temperature to 350. I think is okay for this, and I'll remove this and get the new one on. Okay, now that that's off, I'm going to get a connector off the old GSIs that I have here, and hopefully I think they are the same connection. Now I'm going to be replacing the new connector, so I'm just going to put it in place and I'm going to apply heat from the bottom. And begin, I'm going to be using 350 degrees Celsius, and I'm just going to keep nudging it until it falls into place. Okay, so here I've just got to put back together enough to test. I'm going to hold the battery in, and I've checked it and it does work. The bottom screen is faulty, I'm going to be replacing that, but touchscreen works fine. So I'm going to end the video here. If you like this type of content, please do subscribe, hit the like button, and hopefully I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.